5 Best Detox Water Recipes. 1. Coconut water with lemon and mint. Coconut water, being a naturally refreshing drink, consists of various minerals and vitamins and also keeps us fresh throughout the day. This detox water recipe has fresh mint leaves along with the sweetness of honey and tanginess of lime. 2. Cucumber and kiwi juice. Cucumber is known to be one of the most hydrating veggies out there, and hence, it is the best choice to prepare detox drinks. 3. Nimbu pani. Nimbu pani, lemonade or shikanji, is one of the most delicious and easiest coolers to prepare at any time of the day. It is packed with the tangy lemon flavor and refreshing mint leaves accompanied with spices to add a boost of flavor and nutrition. 4. Mint lime fizz. This drink is a fizzy, lemon drink to rejuvenate your body and flush out all the toxins. 5. Detox haldi tea. This detox recipe is a blend of antioxidants like turmeric with spices such as ginger and black pepper along with honey. Turmeric is considered to be a powerful cleansing spice, and hence it is recommended for all detox diets. Detox drinks may work against the toxic overload on our body and mind. These detox drinks may help you restore your levels of hydration and eventually cleanse and rejuvenate your whole body. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to our channel.